Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 3612, process string with special operations 1. This is a relatively simple medium problem, so let's see how to solve it step by step. We are given a string s with lowercase English letters and special characters asterisk, hash, and percentage. These are the only possible characters in the string. Our job is to build a new string by processing s according to these rules. If we find a lowercase English letter, we append it directly to the result. If we find an asterisk, we remove the last character. Whenever we find a hash, we duplicate the result, and with a percentage, we reverse the result. Finally, we have to return the result. So let's say that we are given this input. We need to scan characters from left to right. So we start here, and this is a lowercase English letter. So we need to append it to the result. Now we have this. Then we have a hash. Here we need to duplicate the result, so now we have this. Then we have a b, then we have a percentage. Here we need to reverse the result, so now we have b, a, and then we have an asterisk. Here we need to remove the last character, so we remove this, and the final result is BA. The main question here is which data structure can be used for these operations. We have to append characters, remove last characters, duplicate result, and reverse result. So we can use a simple array. Here we can append letters, remove last characters. We can do both of these operations in big O of 1. Then we can duplicate the array in big O of n, where n is the length of the result up to that moment, and we can reverse the result in big O of n also. So what's the overall time complexity in the worst case here? Well, we can start with a lowercase English letter, for example a, then we continue with a hash, then we can have another hash, then another hash, then another hash, and so on. This means that in the result we start with a, then we need to duplicate this, so we have a. Then we have to iterate all the characters to duplicate this and get a. Then we have to iterate these 4 characters to duplicate this, and so on. So overall time complexity here is big O of 2 to the power of n. Every time we are duplicating the result and iterating the corresponding characters to do this. Space complexity is the same because of the space for the result. So with this in mind, let's go with the code. First we need an empty array, and now we can iterate characters. So for CNS, if the character is a lowercase English letter, in Python we can use isLower, array.append the character. Else if we have something in the array and the current character is equal to an asterisk, this means that we can pop the last element, so array.pop, and that's it. Now, else if the character is equal to a hash, we need to duplicate the array, so array plus equal array. Remember that this is how we concatenate arrays in Python. Else if the character is equal to percentage, we need to reverse the array, so array is now equal to, and we can do this in Python. And that's it. Finally, we have to return a string, so we can return, and here we use showing with the array. Let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.